y'all? I am JusTika, or better yet, just call me Tika. In today's video, I want to come and show you guys off a wig that I most definitely think that you're gonna be like, I'm about to go ahead and buy this wig. The holidays are rolling up. It's time to get your wigs together, okay? It's time to get your wigs together, girl. Into my bangs stage. Now, before, I really wasn't them type of chicks that like the bangs, but something's changed with these wigs. It's cute now. So now, I wanna be a part of the bang. I wanna be the bang. I like the bangs. You guys, look how cute this style is, y'all. Now this is Freetriz Equal Light Curtain Bang Wig, and this is the style 13, you guys. 13 now. She is just dripping, and she just looks so cute. It's so cute, but y'all. Now this does have a full closure, y'all, so keep that in mind. This is not one of them wigs where you can just wear your part so freely. It has a closure, you guys. It has a closure. Look how pretty, and these curls are cute curls. Cute. Got the nice body wave. Is this human hair? It feels like human hair, and I love when a synthetic wig got, it's just so full of density and it's so nice and soft. It just feels so good. But how are you guys doing? Are you guys ready for the holidays? My birthday is coming up. I don't really talk about my birthday that much. I don't really talk about my birthday at all, because I really wasn't the type of people that just love my birthday. Up until a couple years ago, I started loving my birthday more, because my husband, he changed my point of view about my birthday, and now I love my birthday. So I'm just gonna put her on. Now, she is a style that you're gonna have to get her together now. She's not gonna be one of them pop on and go type wigs now. You're gonna have to get it together. You're gonna have to get it right. Now, this isn't one of the wigs that you're gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna just pop this bad boy on and I'm gonna make it do what it do. But baby, look, the first thing I'm definitely gonna be doing is probably trimming the bangs, because I feel like the bangs are way too long for me. They way too damn long. It's way too damn long for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm definitely gonna have to trim my bangs, and I am just gonna have to get it together. So let's run that back, Turbo. Let's go ahead and style this wig, Turbo. Run it back. I think I'm just gonna use a razor, because these things, when you use a razor, it actually trims your bangs a lot better. I'm okay. I'm thinking about doing a makeup tutorial for you guys, because this, y'all won't even believe the foundation I have on. I have on the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I think it's Maybelline. Is it Maybelline? But I do have that foundation on, and this foundation is the freaking truth, y'all. Like, all right, hopefully we can get this bang together. Just gonna comb it out. And then I'm just gonna try to fix this little flip that we got going on here. Need to flip the other way. She's cute. Okay, okay, all right. You guys, this is really cute. I did what I could to trim these bangs, and I love this wig. Like, I love the density. No matter how many times I run my fingers through this wig, it's not getting no tangles. And this is a really cute hairstyle. It's cute. I love the density of it. Very cute. Give it a little bit of, it has a lot of body to it. And I love the density. Cute. Look at that. You can dance all night long in this hairstyle. Like, it's giving. Now, this hair is really cute. And I love it. I feel like a Barbie doll. What you guys think about this style? I really want to put this hair up into like a cute little updo. But I know the back is probably gonna look a little weird. I know that. I know that the back is probably gonna be a little bit weird because the back is gonna be exposed. So what do you guys think about Features Equal style 13 and the color number 2? I love her. I really love this wig. I love the density of it. It's perfect. I love the curls. And I just feel like this style is just very, very cute. I said you're gonna have to work. You're gonna have to work on the bangs. You're gonna have to trim up your bangs just so they can match your face, just so they can correlate with your face shape, just so they can correlate the shape with, just so it can correlate with the shape of your face, because the bangs were a little bit too long for me personally. But once I got everything together, it looks a whole lot better. And my bang is more like, it's supposed to be more like this. This is really cute. I feel like a little princess. And she's cute. Also did get a different color. And I'll show you the other color that I have. I have this color. This is a color High Spice. This is more red. This is red. Well, this is more so burgundy. Now, I got this one for my outfits when I want to wear like either all black or I want to wear more like fall colors. I like to just go with the more burgundy-ish colors because they look better. And 9 times out of 10, I'm always wearing a burgundy lip. So that's the reason why I went with this color, because I thought this color was really cute. And I did buy this in another hair color. I bought it in, I think, High Copper. Cute. Really cute, you guys, real cute. Cap on this wig is also very comfortable, and if you have a larger side, like if your head is more so on a larger side, this wig is definitely going to fit your head because it's so comfortable. It has so much space in this wig, and that's what I love it. Because usually when these wigs have like a full closure, the wigs be small, but not this one. You will have a lot of space in this wig for sure. For sure, for sure. Push it back a little bit. Push it back a little bit off my head. I love it. It's cute. Alright, you guys, catch you in my next video. Peace. Bye.